Genevieve, aka Jennifer Russell. I'm holding pillar number 1, radical contribution. And really what we're about here is that we're about really creating and enhancing every environment that we're in. You know, the way that art does that, the way that science does that, the way that human interaction does that. You know, the way that we want to really leave every space that we're in better than we found it. Right? And so as our public spaces, we really understand that just as you grow into the world grows into you. And not only do you occupy a certain space, but that space in turn occupies you. Here, we're focused on where design meets consciousness and understand that everything we are designing is designing us back. And we are being actively transformed by the spaces that we occupy. So our intention with this pillar is to create the spaces that become the temples that feed our hearts and feed our minds and become our homes and the backdrop for all the creative wisdom that's coming and all of the art that we're creating together. So I just want to warmly welcome you to the pillar of radical contribution, public spaces, and just to give you a feel for what are the teams on this pillar. So the teams that we have in this pillar are our Mystic Theater team, so those that are going to build and decorate that. It's our Healing Dome team that creates all the space for us to go in and as like a water oasis and get healing sessions from our healers. Our Cosmic Heart Temple, which is a beautiful space for us to create ritual and ceremony and deep connection with the divine masculine and feminine in both of us, where we're united in our hearts. This is also the team that's creating the sound and the lights to make the spaces beautiful, and our art to make the spaces beautiful. So welcome to this. Welcome to being a part of creating the kind of spaces that allow not only our own mystics to have a home and to feel safe and belonged, but for all of the people visiting us to be awed and inspired by all the truth and beauty. So I can't wait to see you on the playa. And we'll see you then. Send in your application and you'll get us a code from me and we'll get started.